So, long time no see. Welcome back, everyone. This is the update video 2.0. We done one maybe 2 years ago. Just give you an update of what to expect, why you haven't seen my face, not that we want to see my face, and what's kind of been going on behind the scenes here at Tech Guy Smart Buy, the YouTube channel, the website, etc., etc. So the podcast has been going strong. We've been trying to go really hard with that. That's probably the easiest thing I've been able to kind of maintain. The month of January is always rough for me. It's always keeping up with CES, and my job has unlimited overtime, so that's always important. Fatherhood is fun. I have no energy for some reason. He's a good kid, he sleeps throughout the night. Love him to death. Got a new camera, upgraded to the Sony a6300. So the original thought process of that was to go completely 4K for 2018, but at the grander scheme of things, I think 4K can wait, at least wait till I get some better lenses. So for now, we can just provide you better 1080p, but you may possibly see a few 4K videos here and there sprinkled within different videos throughout the year. We got some reviews coming up. BlackBerry Key 1 is first. We're also working on some original content, so we could really try to diversify the channel and have some different things going on for you guys. So instead of just watching things about tech, the podcast is cool and entertaining, and then kind of like a middle ground, talk about just different feature sets. So yeah, that's pretty much the update. That's what's been going on. Sound off below. Let us know what you want to see in the channel. I mean, we do it for you guys. I mean, this is fun for us, but we also do it for the viewers, the subscribers, and those who are passing by. Maybe you subscribe. As always, thanks for watching. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us, and see you in the next video. Peace.